how to say I like it in Italian. Andiamo. When you meet someone for the first time, you say piacere, literally pleasure. But piacere is also a verb which is used to express what we like or dislike. To say I like in Italian is mi piace. Now this isn't a reflexive verb. That mi, you see, isn't a reflexive pronoun, but an indirect object pronoun, which means to me. The verb you see, piacere, is conjugated here in the third person singular, meaning it pleases. Put together, what you're literally saying is, it is pleasing to me, but what you really mean is, I like it. Here are some examples. Mi piace cucinare, I like to cook, but literally, cooking is pleasing to me. Mi piace Roma, I like Rome. Literally, Rome is pleasing to me. Mi piace parlare italiano, I like to speak Italian. Literally, speaking Italian is pleasing to me.